Hey everyone, welcome to LearnXpert. In this video, we will be learning about Canva. We'll be covering these topics: how to try Canva Pro for free or how to set up a Canva account, how to navigate the Canva homepage, how to create a new Canva design in 4 ways, how to use Canva Magic Design, how to use the Canva editor, how to use the top panel in the Canva editor, and how to use the side panel in the Canva editor. So if you're interested to learn about Canva, keep watching. Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn Experts. Today I'm going to show you how to start a Canva account. Let's get started. First, open canva.com from any web browser such as Google Chrome. Next, click on Sign Up. Here, you can also review other options like Canva Free, Canva Pro, and Canva Teams. Once you click Sign Up to start a new account, you can connect your email or use a social media account for a quick login. Once you're signed up, you'll be asked to select from the following options to help Canva recommend the appropriate design templates for you. We have student, personal, nonprofit or charity, small business, large company, or teacher. For now, I've selected small business. You can also start a 30-day trial to get familiar with Canva Pro tools. Congratulations, you now have a Canva account. On the top panel, you can see options like Design Spotlight, Business, Education, Plans and Pricing, and the Canva Learning Center. On the left panel, you'll find details such as the Canva Pro trial, homepage, projects, templates for presentations, reels, and more. We'll also dive into the topic of design templates, exploring how they provide a quick and easy way to start any project. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced designer, these templates will make it simple to create professional quality designs with just a few clicks. You can also explore stock photos for your designs, which you can filter by paid photos or free, icons and other graphics, and even check out the other creators of Canva. If you've reached this far in the video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. In this next segment, we'll be learning how to navigate the homepage of Canva. So on your homepage, on the top bar of the screen, you'll see different options such as your design spotlight, showing your visual documents, photos and videos, print, and marketing options. On the business menu, you'll see different options for your business solutions, your use cases, and other resources. We also have an education menu for your educators and giving you resources on how to become an effective education creator on Canva. On the plans and pricing menu, you'll see different plan options such as the Canva free plan, Pro, Teams, and Enterprise. And lastly, on the Learn menu, you will see different avenues for learning on Canva and helping you become a better creator on Canva. Now, on the left panel, you will see different options such as templates. The templates menu on Canva offers a wide range of pre-designed layouts that you can easily customize by selecting a template that suits your project, then editing the text, images, and colors to fit your needs. This feature streamlines the design process, making it accessible even for beginners, while still providing the flexibility for more advanced users to create unique, professional quality visuals. Within the templates menu, the Photos section offers a vast selection of high-quality images, with both free and pro options available for use in your designs. By clicking the star icon, you can easily bookmark your favorite photos for quick access in future projects. Back on the Canva home screen, you can navigate to the Projects section, where you'll find a library containing all your current and previous designs. This organized space allows you to easily access, manage, and edit your projects whenever needed. Our next topic is creating projects in 4 ways, so stay tuned for that. Hey there and welcome back. Our next topic is how to create a new Canva design in 4 ways. On Canva's main screen, you can create a new project by selecting from various options in the center, including docs, whiteboards, presentations, social media, videos, print products, websites, and more. In this video, we'll focus on creating a new Instagram post, walking you through the process step by step. So by going under the social media options, we can select Instagram Post Square, and this will create a new project in the same dimensions or the most optimal dimensions for an Instagram post. Once you open a new blank Instagram post, you're free to customize it however you like. You can add text, images, icons, and more to create a unique and eye-catching design that fits your style and message. The next method is to go to the top right-hand corner, click on Create Design, and type in the type of document you want to create. Canva will then suggest relevant artboards for you to choose from, making it easy to get started. In this case, I'm entering the word A4 so that Canva provides me with any A4 type document to be creative with. I can also type in the word poster, and Canva provides all of the poster-related dimensions that I can use for my design. The third method involves selecting a template from Canva's extensive library, where you can find pre-designed layouts for a wide range of projects, including social media posts, presentations, marketing materials. By choosing a template, you can jumpstart your design process with a professionally crafted base, which you can then customize to fit your specific needs and style. For example, if you choose a job post template, you can click Customize Template to begin editing, allowing you to tailor the design to your specific needs by adjusting the text, images, and colors. The last method involves uploading an existing file and editing it directly in Canva. To do this, go to the top right, select Create Design, and click Import File to upload your document. For instance, I uploaded a Microsoft Word document containing a text and an image, and Canva seamlessly incorporated all the elements, allowing for easy adjustments and enhancements. Canva is free to use, so you can work on these documents even if you don't have a licensed version of the original software suite. Stay tuned for the next topic. Things get magical. We will dive into how to use Canva Magic Design to create stunning visuals effortlessly. Welcome back! In this video, we'll dive into Canva Magic Studio and explore how to use Magic Design to create stunning visuals with ease. To explore Canva Magic Studio, start by clicking Magic Studio on the left panel. From there, select Try Magic Design, which allows you to search for and create the exact design you need. This feature leverages advanced AI to streamline the design process, offering tailored suggestions based on your input. For instance, choose Magic Design for Presentations to open a new blank presentation with clear instructions on how to proceed. This makes it easy to get started without having to design from scratch, saving you time and effort. In the Magic search bar, type Design a Coffee Shop, and Canva will present options such as a sleek coffee shop landing page design for a simple site mockup presentation. Click this. The search capability ensures that you get relevant and high-quality design suggestions tailored to your needs. After selecting the suggestion, it may take a moment to load as Canva generates the design for you. While you wait, you can appreciate how the Magic Design tool analyzes your input to deliver a professional design. Once it's ready, you'll see an elegant coffee shop layout, complete with a color palette and graphic set that aligns perfectly with your request. This process takes just a few seconds, demonstrating how Canva's magic can produce sophisticated results effortlessly. It's amazing how quickly and easily you can achieve professional quality designs with minimal effort. Thank you again for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for our next topic, where we'll take a closer look at navigating and using the Canva editor screen. Welcome back. Today we're diving into how to use the Canva editor screen. To start, let's create a custom design. You can set the dimension units to pixels, inches, or centimeters, depending on your needs. For this example, we'll input a size of 10 by 8 inches. Now, on the Canva editor screen, you'll work on a blank canvas where you can add text, images, links, videos, and other elements, and finally, share or download your design. Thanks for joining us in this short video. Stay tuned for the next topic where we'll explore how to use the top panel on the editor, and later, the side panel to make the most out of your Canva design experience. Welcome back to the video. We'll now be exploring the top panel on the Canva editor screen and all the features it offers. First, click on File, where you can create a new design, import files, and check your current settings. One useful feature is turning on the guides, which helps you build an imaginary grid on the screen to keep your layout clean and organized. Other settings include margins, print bleed to ensure your design stays within the printing area, viewing the comments, and a variety of accessibility options. Next up is the resize and magic switch functions. These are available only for Pro accounts. With these, you can resize your design to fit other media formats and even auto-translate it into any available language. You can also transform your presentations into a document that summarizes the content along with other cool features available through these options. Now on the top right, you can rename your file to keep everything organized. You'll also notice a button to try Canva Pro for 30 days. The badge shows who is actively working on the design, and you can invite others to collaborate. You can also gain insights into your design's performance, such as views and engagement, which are crucial metrics to understand how well your design is doing. To share your design, simply click the share icon, where you can choose to share via a public viewing link, a template link, or even present and record your design. You can also download it in various formats and share it across social media platforms. Additionally, you can order prints of your design directly from Canva, with a full catalog of options to choose from. By clicking More, you'll discover more features like app integrations and publishing options for your designs. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next topic. We'll dive into the tools on the side panel in Canva. Welcome back! In this video, we'll be discussing the tools on the side panel of Canva and how to use them to enhance your designs. On this blank page, you'll notice the side panel where you can find a variety of tools starting with the Templates and Styles tab. Here you can apply ready-made templates to your design and scroll through a wide selection of options to customize as you go. The Styles tab offers color palettes and other design styles, including those from your previous projects. By clicking See All, you can explore a vast array of color palettes to use in your new project. Next, the Elements tab provides numerous design options like shapes, lines, graphics, and stickers for animated elements. It even includes an AI image generator where you can type in a description and have AI create custom graphics for you. You can also add photos from a wide range of resources, videos from this video library, audio tracks, and charts for your infographics. These charts are interactive, allowing you to enter data that automatically updates the chart. Additionally, you'll find tables for organizing information into rows and columns, frames, which we'll dive into deeper in another video, so stay tuned. Photo grids, mock-ups for phone and website screenshots, and collections of uniform graphics to keep your design visually consistent. Now the Text tab lets you add blocks of text to your layout, while the Brand Kit tab allows you to establish your branding groundwork, including your logos, brand colors, and fonts. All your uploads are organized in the Uploads tab, where you can search for files by name. The Draw function lets you draw directly on the screen using a marker or highlighter tool. The Project folder displays your library of past projects, making it easy to browse and revisit your work. Lastly, the Apps tab shows you all of the apps that you can integrate with Canva to enhance your design process. These integrations connect with your storage apps and offer even more flexibility and accessibility. Stay tuned for future videos where we'll dive deeper into some of these features and even more. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content coming your way.